guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. Currently walking to the post office here in Salem. Joe's with me. Today's Friday and I needed to send off some mail, so we are running a quick errand. We talked about going to get breakfast at Red's, but it might be a little too busy, so we're gonna go take a peek at the line and see what it looks like. Picking up some mail. Oh, okay, thank you.
It's already folded, so
Alrighty, perfect. Hold on. Oh, it's getting kind of warm.
it is.
Alright, should we go scope out Red's? Let's see how it goes.
Is that Jake's?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say that looks like something Jake would have done.
Guys, this is our friend Jake and his buddy's mural, the one who did the sweatshirt that you guys asked about. Talented. This one's pretty cool, yeah. The line is not awful. Probably goes a little bit past, but that's not awful. They get you in there pretty fast, so I think we'll only have to wait maybe like 20-25 minutes.
Well, hello, you followers of Halloween Happy. You need to get on your brooms and come and see us here in Salem. And for you visitors, I have a special map just for you so you can get around Salem.
Got some espresso because the alcohol from the mimosa is making me sleepy. So it's a little bit later today. Last time I caught up with you guys, we were at coffee, just taking little Raven out. So we were trying to decide what to do because we have. Why are you looking at me?
I'm
like
not.
that? Why are you smiling? Huh?
You're cute.
What do you mean? A few things that we can do. Go downtown and walk around and watch Hocus Pocus in the Commons. Should we stay home, which is what I want to do? I think we're gonna go downtown for a little bit just to see how it is.
Yeah, well, why don't we do both? We can go downtown and then come back and carve pumpkins.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not like we have to be down there forever.
That's true. It's true. Probably get changed. I don't know if I want to be cash or if I want to be spooky cash or if I want to be spooky cute, spooky glam, scary cute, scary glam. There's so many options. Cooking some food and we're getting ready to go over to our neighbors before we walk downtown. But Joe was just playing with this, so we got the Monster Mash cereal, and on the back it has a barcode that you can scan, and look what it does. It's like a show about the monsters and their band and stuff. What's your favorite scary movie? Taking you along with us to go to the annual Halloween party at the Hawthorne Hotel. I'm out of breath. What else is new? I got Casey here with me.
I'm so scared right now.
She clearly did not know the trivia questions. Hope I can get some footage and some cool costumes to show you guys. And we're just gonna go hang out and be spooky. Ah! Finished the Halloween party at the Hawthorne. We are trying to find somewhere to go. Like, the thing is, Salem is not open late at night. Trying to find out if we want to go somewhere for like an hour or 45 minutes or if we want to go home.
We can try, yeah.
Hey friends, Editing Sam here. So I realized while I'm editing this that I did not really close out this vlog. The next clips just kind of go into the next vlog that you'll see. This party was the one that we ended up getting COVID tested for that you saw in the last vlog. And this was not on Halloween night, so I will still have like a Halloween night vlog coming onto my channel. This was like the week before Halloween. It was a good time. It was just like honestly nice being out with people, just seeing all the costumes, just taking in the Salem air. And I'm so glad that I was able to bring you along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite part. Let me know if you like these kind of vlogs, if you like coming along with me. So I'm gonna get back to editing, but I will catch you guys in the next vlog. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you for watching today's vlog, being a part of my channel. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.